Tokyo Big Site. My name is Charles Sando. We've been in Japan for just a little bit less than 10 years. We have been very interesting in Japan, everywhere from Hokkaido to Okinawa. We specialize in very slopey land, heavy snow, and now on the water and covered. We have about 20 staff in Japan office. We developed the 3D design in Japan, which specializes in very slopey environment. Now this is a facility of Japan, so we have installed about 1.5 gigawatt worth of ground mount. Our office is in Yokohama, Japan, and now we have engineers that design all the racking system, and we will be able to make the approval system. So please come to see us and waiting for your call. Thank you.
クリーンエナジーのコンテンツをご視聴いただきありがとうございました。ぜひフォローをお願いします。また詳しいことをお知りになりたい方はリンクをたどってご覧ください。よろしくお願いします。